Chances are, if you're taking the metro into Prague city center, you will arrive at the metro exit of Mustek.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today I'm in the city of 100 Spires, Prague, Czech Republic. So let's say you're just getting to Prague and you're getting off of Mustek, which is going to be the metro exit you're going to take if you're going to go down to Wenceslas Square. And that's what we're going to check out today on a Thursday night. Follow along and let's go. Welcome to the Europe Series 2022. I'm Eric B from Travel Adventures with Eric B. If you're new here, I offer travel advice. I'm a solo traveler and I do vlogs to help you travel better and more efficient.
So starting the day off at Luton, one of the many airports in London, and catching an EasyJet flight to Prague, Czech Republic. Now, I've never been on EasyJet, so this is a first, and I've never been to Luton Airport, which is also a first. And you also notice in a lot of the airports in Europe, you board the plane from the tarmac. Now, this is not every airport in Europe, but many of the airports, they do this, and obviously they're doing it at Luton on EasyJet. I arrive at Prague Airport. You can tell pretty quickly as I go to baggage claims, pick up my bag, which I did check my bag, which I did get a bag that's necessarily I don't have to check, but it's a carry-on bag, but I decided to check it for flight. Thought it'd be a little bit easier in this situation. It was cheaper to do it that way with EasyJet. But if you notice in Czech Republic how much they love their beers in Czech Republic, you have to make sure you drink the beer. Like literally on the baggage displays, there's different advertisements of beer everywhere. And of course I went in the duty-free store and got some Czech beer. So you're looking to get to the city center. You go outside, you buy this ticket in the kiosk, 40 Czech korunas it costs, which is a little under $2 USD, and you wait for the bus, and you catch the bus here, and the bus will take you to the metro station. Get off at the metro station, figure out which line you need to take to get to Mustek, which I mentioned at the beginning, and Mustek will take you to the city center. As you see the way the Prague metro is set up, if you know how to read a map, it's pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. It's not like New York City subway where it's really confusing. I really like the efficiency of the Prague metro. Really easy to deal with. You figure out your lines and go from line to line. There's only like 4 lines, so there's not a lot of craziness here. And I like the stations. The stations are all really decorative and pretty and different designs and artwork, so that's a cool plus as well. Found this really cool on the wall at the metro station to help you out with a few Czech words if you don't speak Czech, which chances are you don't speak Czech. That's why most of them speak English, because they know you don't speak Czech. So we're headed out of the metro station here at Mustek, and we're going to head out into town and have a good time here. So just follow along and enjoy the ride.
walnut here. I did do one of those last time. These, they were pretty good. Oh, it was a little something different. I might try that again, maybe tomorrow. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more videos coming out in this series about Europe for the summer of 2022. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace and travel. Lots and lots of travel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the like, share, subscribe button, leave any comments below. I love to interact and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.